Hello everyone! Good day! Hi guys! Nakikita niyo po itong mga bulaklak na to. Ito po ay dito sa aming tahanan. Ayun guys, usual po yung ginagawa namin na tuwing Chinese New Year ay bumibili kami ng samot-saring halamanan. So, isa po yung mga orchids na yan. Sa super duper ganda ng mga colors. Kompleto. May yellow, may pink, may orange. Ayan. Over. Ayan. So, ganun. Pag malapit na yung Chinese New Year. So, namumukadkad ang aming bahay. Ayun. So, super duper ganda talaga guys. Kaya, nakaka-amaze. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng color na itong gusto ko siya, guys. It's a purple. What color is this, Samantha? What do you think?
This is purple, kind of
Yeah, it's kind of purple, but it's like, it's super ganda. Ayan, ito naman yung aking tanim dito sa mini garden ko at medyo lumalabas na ang sibol ng mga bulaklak niya, guys. So,
it feels like growing a potato.
yeah, medyo matagal-tagal ko rin siyang inaalagaan. So, eto na nga, namumulaklak na siya. Of course, ang aking mga roses talaga. At hindi ko na talaga siya nilabas kasi nahahanginan. So,
Guys, look at the flowers.
It's super different colors also. Like, may white, pink, yellow. Ayan. Plus pa yung looking outside ambience namin. It's super nice. Ayan. So,
Look at the colors.
You like our mini vlog for today's video. Ayan, guys. It's super ganda. Oh, what are you gonna say, Samantha?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.
Ayan, abangan nyo po ang aming next video. Ayan, so dahil nga medyo manalapit ang Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, see you again in my next vlogs.
Bye!
Ayan, manifesting.